beginner skincare routine step-by-step for teens. Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics, skincare routine for teens. Whether you're dealing with pesky pimples, oily patches, or just want to keep your skin glowing and healthy, this video is for you. But before we jump into the skincare steps, let's take a moment to appreciate each and every one of you. Teenage years can be a roller coaster ride of emotions, and let's face it, our skin often reflects that journey. But here's the deal. You are stunning, inside and out, just as you are right now. Embrace those freckles, honor those imperfections, and remember that true beauty shines from within. Now, on to the main event. In today's video, we're breaking down a comprehensive skincare routine, step by step, designed especially for teens. All right, lovelies. Without further ado, let's unlock the secrets to radiant, glowing skin. Are you ready? Let's start. Step 1. Cleanser. A cleanser is used to clean the skin by removing dirt, oil, makeup, and other impurities. It is typically the first step in a skincare routine and is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Cleansers come in various forms, including foaming gels, creams, oils, and micellar waters, each designed to suit different skin types and preferences. Some cleansers are formulated with specific ingredients to address particular concerns, such as acne, dryness, or sensitivity. The primary function of a cleanser is to cleanse the skin without stripping away its natural moisture barrier or causing irritation. A good cleanser should effectively remove impurities while leaving the skin feeling clean, refreshed, and balanced. It's essential to choose a cleanser that is suitable for your skin type and concerns. For example, those with oily or acne-prone skin may benefit from a foaming cleanser containing ingredients like salicylic acid to help unclog pores, while those with dry or sensitive skin may prefer a gentle, hydrating cleanser. Cleanser recommendations for teens are Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash, La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel, Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser, Etude House Soon Jung pH 6.5, Whip Cleanser, and Roundlab 1025 Docto Cleanser. Step 2. Toner. Toner typically refers to a liquid skincare product that is applied to the face after cleansing. Its primary purpose is to remove any remaining traces of dirt, oil, or makeup from the skin, helping to ensure that pores are clean and preventing breakouts. Toner helps to balance the skin's pH levels, which can be disrupted by harsh cleansers or environmental factors. Some toners also contain ingredients that provide additional benefits such as hydration, exfoliation, or soothing properties. Toner is typically applied to the face using a cotton pad or by gently patting it into the skin with clean hands. It is available in various formulations to suit different skin types and concerns, including options for oily, dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. Additionally, toners can help to refine the skin's texture and appearance by tightening pores and promoting a smoother, more even complexion. This pore refining effect can create a canvas that is better prepared to absorb subsequent skincare products, such as serums and moisturizers, maximizing their efficacy. By incorporating a suitable toner into your daily skincare regimen, you can achieve a clearer, smoother, and more radiant complexion. Toner recommendations are Anua Heartleaf 77%, Soothing Toner COSRX A BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner, Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner, Simple Kind to Skin Soothing Facial Toner, La Roche-Posay Effaclar, Clarifying Solution Acne Toner, and I'm from Rice Toner. Step 3. Serum. Serum is a lightweight, highly concentrated skincare product formulated with potent active ingredients to target specific skin concerns. Serums are typically applied after cleansing and toning, but before moisturizing, to allow the active ingredients to penetrate the skin effectively. Due to their concentrated nature, only a small amount of serum is needed for each application. Users often massage or pat the serum gently into the skin until fully absorbed. Serums come in various formulations designed to address a wide range of skincare needs, including hydration, brightening, anti-aging, acne fighting, and more. Some common active ingredients found in serums include hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening and antioxidant protection, retinol or vitamin A derivatives for anti-aging, and niacinamide for pore refining and soothing effects. When selecting a serum for teens, it's crucial to prioritize gentle formulations that won't strip or irritate the skin. Serum brand recommendations are The Ordinary, Beauty of Joseon, Paula's Choice, Anua, Mario Badescu, and Skin 1004. Step 4. Moisturizer. Moisturizer is a crucial component of any skincare routine, serving as a vital tool in maintaining the health and appearance of the skin. Essentially, a moisturizer is a topical product designed to hydrate and nourish the skin, helping to replenish moisture levels, restore the skin's natural barrier function, and protect against environmental stressors. It works by delivering a combination of humectants, emollients, and occlusives to the skin, attracting moisture, sealing it in, and providing a smooth and hydrated surface. Beyond hydration, moisturizers often contain additional beneficial ingredients such as antioxidants, vitamins, and soothing agents, tailored to address specific skin concerns such as aging, acne, sensitivity, or dryness. By incorporating a suitable moisturizer into a daily skincare routine, individuals can effectively support their skin's overall health, resilience, and radiance, ensuring it looks and feels its best. Moisturizer recommendation for teens are Cetaphil Daily, Hydrating Lotion, CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer, Etude House Sunjung or Iwex Barrier Intensive Cream, and Cosrx Oil-Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion. Step 6. Sunscreen for morning. Sunscreen is a vital component of any skincare routine, offering protection against the harmful effects of ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun. Sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer by shielding the skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. UV radiation can cause damage to the skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and even skin cancer. Sunscreens come in various formulations, including lotions, creams, gels, sprays, and sticks. Choose a formulation that suits your skin type and preferences. Sunscreen should be the last step in your skincare routine, applied after moisturizer and before makeup if applicable. It's essential to use a sufficient amount of sunscreen to ensure adequate protection. In addition to using sunscreen, other sun protection includes seeking shade, wearing protective clothing such as wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses, and avoiding sun exposure during peak hours at 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I hope you found today's step-by-step guide not just informative but empowering. Remember, skincare isn't just about achieving clear skin. It's about embracing self-care, self-love, and celebrating the unique beauty that makes you you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay fabulous, and always remember, you are beautiful, inside and out.